What if we could show you that there is a way to save money and spend money at the exact same time?
What if we told you that the absolute best financial tool to grow and compound your cash was actually already sitting right in front of you, but you've just been looking at it the wrong way?
Welcome to the Banking Bros channel, powered by the Cash Compound. We teach people how to crack the code to cash flow using tools that the wealthy have used and strategies that are tried and true for generations.
Everything we teach centers around one thing. It's how to put your hard-earned dollars into environments that are guaranteed to grow in cash flow.
That means never losing to the market. That means growing tax-free for your family and your future. And that also means creating cash flows for you right now, so you can buy, finance, invest in whatever your heart desires.
Yeah, so on this channel, we are going to cut through the noise, all right? We're going to simplify wealth building. We're going to show you how to keep your money safe, how to keep it liquid, how to keep it compounding without locking it away, without losing control of it, or taking any unnecessary risks.
You've already heard of Pay Yourself First, but on this platform, we're now going to show you how to actually do it.
If you'd like to learn from people who have constantly compounded their cash contracts, well, you're in the right place.
Welcome to the Banking Bros.